Hello and welcome to our lesson on comparative and superlative adverbs. A quick revision on adverb. An adverb describes a verb or an adjective or another adverb, but in our lesson we focus on the first part, which is an adverb describes a verb. So in any sentence you will find a noun, which is a subject, and then a verb, and if we want to add more details and tell more about the verb, we use an adverb. The adverb can appear in the sentence before the verb or after the verb, or at the beginning of the sentence, or even at the very end of the sentence. We have many types of adverbs. According to our previous lesson, the adverb can tell how, when, or where the action happened. How, like quietly, peacefully, carefully. Where, above, abroad, far away. When, which tells about the time. The other two columns are not in our lesson. And the focus of this lesson is on comparative and superlative adverbs. So what is the meaning of comparative? As you already know, it means comparing two actions. Superlative compare three or more actions. And why are we focusing on the word action? Because the adverb modifies or describes or tells more about the verb. Verb. Okay, so how to form the comparative and superlative adverbs. First we have to look at the types of adverbs themselves. There are short adverbs in which you will find that an adverb contains only one syllable, or the longer adverbs which you will find the adverb containing more than two syllables. There are some adverbs that we can easily identify that because they end in ly, and to compare two actions using adverbs, we are going to add more before the adverb and then than after the adverb. More, like carefully, more carefully than, slowly, more slowly than, gracefully, more gracefully. And if it is a longer adverb and I want to compare three actions, what do I use? I use most and then the adverb before the adverb. Beautifully, most beautifully. Amazingly, most amazingly. Gracefully, gracefully. And we also have the irregular adverbs, well and badly. Well, if I want to compare two actions, I use better. If I want to compare three actions, I use best. And badly, if I want to compare two actions, I use worse. And if I want to compare three, I use worst. And this is an example. The boat's engine ran better today than it did yesterday. And better is the adverb that compares the action of the engine today and yesterday. Today we are going, these are more examples from your book. Write the correct form of the adverb in parentheses to complete each sentence. Now we are going on